Hello students, so I am Rajneesh Kumar, assistant professor in NIT Pharmacy Institutes, is again here to discuss some part of your syllabus which includes reaction of the benzene. Okay. In the previous lecture we have discussed the same topics, but the main reaction which were discussed is halogenation, sulfonation and the nitration. In this lecture we will carry forwards the next topic, which is including Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction as well as the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction and their uses as well as their limitations also. Okay. So, the topic of this lecture is Friedel-Crafts alkylation and the acylation. Okay. So, now again we have already discussed that benzene has its electrons clouds on its above and below the plane of the ring, okay, which will a motivating force to electrophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction will not take place at the normal reaction condition in case of benzene and other aromatic compounds. Okay. So, because of that electron clouds, the electrophile will be attracted towards the aromatic compounds including benzene. Okay. Then that particular electrophile will be substituted in place of hydrogen in benzene. So, this we have discussed earlier. So, the main step which is taken place in electrophilic substitution reaction, the first step includes the formation of a carbocation. We known it as sigma complex or arenaimine. Okay, because of that formation, arenaimine formation, this reaction mechanism is also known as the arenaimine mechanism. We all know. Okay. So, Friedel-Crafts acylation and the alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation as well as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, like halogenation of the benzene ring, is facilitated by the addition of some Lewis acid catalyst like FeCl3, FeBr3 or some more are there. The mainly electrophilic substitution reaction involve formation of a carbon electrophile bond, means a bond will be formed in between the carbon of the benzene and the electrophile, and a bond will be broken in between the carbon and the hydrogen which are already present on the benzene ring. Okay. So, this is again we are going through the same mechanism which we have discussed in the previous lecture. Okay. And we must taken care that the carbocation which is formed in the first step of the electrophilic substitution reaction will be stabilized by the resonance. Okay. And one more thing, this carbocation. So, whenever a कार्बोकेटाइन इज फॉर्म्ड, जब भी कहीं कार्बोकेटाइन बनता है, ठीक है, तो उसकी एक टेंडेंसी होती है वो ज़्यादा स्टेबिलिटी की तरफ जाना चाहता है. ओके. सो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कार्बोकेटाइन, वी ऑल नो दैट टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटाइन इज मोर स्टेबल देन द सेकेंडरी कार्बोकेटाइन, विच इन टर्न्स मोर स्टेबल देन द प्राइमरी कार्बोकेटाइन. तो ये एक टेंडेंसी है, कार्बोकेटाइन कहीं भी बनेगा. एंड वी नो दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक रिएक्शंस कैरीज कार्बोकेटाइन एज ए रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट. मोस्ट ऑफ द, सबसे ज़्यादा अगर ऑर्गेनिक रिएक्शंस में कोई इंटरमीडिएट बनता है तो कार्बोकेटाइन बनता है. और रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट की बात करें तो सेकंड नंबर पर फ्री रेडिकल इंटरमीडिएट्स फॉर्म्स होते हैं, फिर कार्बोनाइन बनता है. और इस तरह की कार्बीन्स, नाइट्रीन्स, बेंजाइन, सो मैनी रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट्स आर देयर, बट द मोस्ट फॉर्म रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट्स आर द कार्बोकेटाइन. सो एंड इट हैज़ अ टेंडेंसी टू गेट स्टेबल. उस स्टेबिलिटी को पाने के लिए ये खुद को रीअरेंज भी करता है कभी कभी. ओके. सो rearrangement will be taken place if it leads to the more stable carbocation. After rearrangements, it goes to the second step, which is the abstraction of the proton from the benzene ring or removal of the proton from the benzene ring in the presence of base. So, now again we have already discussed this reaction mechanism. This is arenaimine mechanism. We again want to show you that in the first step, which is rate determining step, attack of electrophile on the benzene ring occur. It is a slow step. the resulting carbocation or anionium ion is stabilized by the resonance. As you can say that positive charge will be delocalized all along the benzene ring. Okay. So, total 3 resonating structures are there, because of that it is very stable, and in the next step, in the presence of base, proton will be removed from the benzene ring and we are getting the substituted product along with the Hb plus. So, as we have already discussed sulfonation, nitration and halogenation, we have seen that same reaction mechanism were also followed there, and in case of Friedel-Crafts reaction and Friedel-Crafts acylation, the same reaction mechanism will be followed. Okay. So, now come directly to the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So, as you can see that electrophile which attack the benzene ring in case of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction is RCO plus. Carbon of the RCO group carries the positive charge. So, it will be acting as a electrophile. Okay. How we can generate the electrophile? As in case of sulfonation, nitration and halogenation, you have seen that the first step now includes generation of the electrophile. So, we have to generate that RCO plus electrophile in Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So, what will we do? We will use acyl halide or acid anhydride reagent to generate RCO plus, which will be attacking the benzene ring. So, as you can see that as I have said, 2 reagents can be used acylation reaction. One is acyl halide and second is acid anhydride. So, here are 2 reactions. In first reaction, you can see that acyl chloride reacting with the benzene ring in the presence of AlCl3, which is acting as a Lewis acid, and water, we are getting the acyl substituted benzene ring. This is the electrophile on the benzene ring along with the formation of HCl. When we are using acid anhydride as a reagent, then this acid anhydride will again reacting with the benzene ring in the presence of Lewis acid like AlCl3 and H2O. We are again getting acyl substituted benzene ring along with the formation of carboxylic acid. So, you can see that when we are using acid anhydride, we are also getting carboxylic acid in the reaction mixture. Okay. Now, we will come on the mechanism. So, we have to generate the acylium ion, which will be acting as a electrophile. So, an acylium ion is the electrophile required for the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. This ion is formed by the reaction of an acyl chloride or an acyl anhydride with the Lewis acid, which is AlCl3. So, there is a reaction. You can see that this acyl chloride reacting with the AlCl3 and we are getting acylium ion, which is resonance established. Okay. So, again this is very stable, and along with we are getting AlCl4 minus. Okay. So, what happening here? Here chlorine will attack the AlCl3. Okay. The shared electron in between the carbon and chlorine will be utilized to form the bond between the aluminum and the chlorine. Okay. So, the carbon become positively charged and we are getting acylium ion as a electrophile. This acylium ion will be used to attack the benzene ring, as you can see. Okay. The pi electrons of the benzene will be utilized to form the bond in between the carbon of the acylium ion and the benzene ring. Okay. And we are getting a intermediate carbocation. In the next step, base is there, which helps the benzene to get remove the proton or hydrogen from the benzene, and we are getting acyl substituted product, acyl substituted benzene as a result. Okay. So, this reaction mechanism involve the acyl chloride as a reagent. Okay. So, the same reaction mechanism occur in case of acid anhydride. Okay. Okay. So, very simple reaction mechanism, but it has some limitations. Okay, limitation of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction includes this reaction can only be used to give ketones. Okay, it must be taken care of that. No aldehyde will be formed as a product in Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Why? Because the HCOCl which is formed in the reaction is decomposed to carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid under the reaction condition of the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay. So, वहाँ पर वाटर प्रेजेंट है, वहाँ पर एनहाइड्रस Cl3 प्रेजेंट है, उसकी प्रेजेंस में जो HCOCl बनेगा वो डिकम्पोज कर जाएगा तुरंत कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड में. ठीक है. अगेन द सेकेंड लिमिटेशन इंक्लूड्स द एक्टिविटी ऑफ बेंजीन रिंग. If benzene get deactivated means some substituted some deactivating group if present on the benzene ring, then that particular benzene get deactivated and that deactivated benzene ring is not responding to the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay. The minimum requirement that benzene need to be need to be reactive मोर देन मोनोहेलोबेंजीन. इससे ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव होना चाहिए बेंजीन को. ठीक है कि नहीं. इससे अगर कम होगा तो रिएक्शन पॉसिबल नहीं है, Friedel-Crafts acylation रिएक्शन पॉसिबल नहीं है. द थर्ड लिमिटेशन इंक्लूड्स द लुईस एसिड कैटलाइज Cl3 ऑफ 1 कॉम्प्लेक्सेस टू एराइल अमीन्स मेकिंग देम इनएक्टिव. ओके. तो एराइल अमीन भी ये रिएक्शन नहीं देंगे बिकॉज द कैटलिस्ट AlCl3 फॉर्म द कॉम्प्लेक्स विद द एराइल अमीन बिफोर दे रिएक्ट विद द बेंजीन. ओके. तो एराइल अमीन से अगर हम रिएक्शन करते हैं तो वो पहले AlCl3 के साथ रिएक्शन करके कॉम्प्लेक्स बना लेते हैं और कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाने के बाद दे आर नॉट रिएक्टिव टुवार्ड्स द बेंजीन रिंग. उस केस में Friedel-Crafts रिएक्शन acylation reaction will not takes place. Again if we are using amine and alcohol, okay, so they can give competing N or O acylation rather than the required ring acylation. अगर हम amine और alcohol यूज करते हैं Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction के अंदर, then we are getting N substituted acyl group और O acylated group. बेंजीन रिंग पर एसाइलेशन होने की जगह नाइट्रोजन एमीन की नाइट्रोजन पर और अल्कोहल के ऑक्सीजन पर एसाइलेशन हो जाएगा. दिस इज ए बिग लिमिटेशन. सो you have to taken care of that limitation of the Friedel-Crafts acylation. Then these are the examples, very important industrial example application of the Friedel-Crafts acylation. We can synthesize the acetophenone, very important reagent for the synthesis use with the help of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. What we have to do is we will just carry the reaction in between the ethanol chloride and the benzene ring. Ethanol chloride will acting as a reagent to generate the electrophile, which is RCOCH3. Okay. This RCOCH3 will attack on the benzene ring and we are getting acetophenone as a product along with the HCl. Okay. The same product can also be obtained when we are using acetic anhydride as a reagent. Okay. But the only condition we have to maintain that we have to maintain the temperature about 80 degree centigrade. Okay. And as we can see in the previous slides, a molecule of carboxylic acid is also formed when we are using acetic anhydride or acid anhydride. So, in case of acetic anhydride there is a formation of acetic acid also. So, we have to resolve the reaction mixture to get the pure acetophenone when we are using acetic anhydride as a acylating reagent. Okay. Now, the next reaction includes Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. As the name suggests, alkylation needs alkyl group. Okay. We have to substitute alkyl group on the benzene ring in place of the proton. So, alkyl group as electrophile will act as a alkyl group is acting as a electrophile. So, overall reaction includes reaction of benzene with the alkyl chloride. We can use any CH3Cl, ethyl chloride, methyl chloride, any, and again we need Lewis acid. in case AlCl3 used in the reaction. At last we are getting alkyl substituted benzene as a product along with the formation of hydrochloric acid. Okay. So, again when we talking about the mechanism, the same reaction mechanism will be followed. A carbocation is formed from the reaction of alkyl halide with AlCl3, then alkyl fluorides, we have to take care that we can use any alkyl chloride, alkyl fluoride is there, alkyl chloride is there, alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide can also be used. Okay. But vinyl halide and aryl halide cannot be used. They cannot be used because they are too stable, or you can say that the carbocation formed from vinyl halide or aryl halide are too unstable to form. ठीक है. तो जो कार्बोकेटाइन बनेगा रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट वो बहुत ज़्यादा अनस्टेबल होगा, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट अनस्टेबिलिटी द सेकंड स्टेप विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल and we are not getting the resultant product or desired product. So, you have to take care that you can use any of the alkyl halides except vinyl halide and the aryl halides. Okay. So, the reaction mechanism very simple. Okay. First of all, we have to generate the electrophile. So, in the presence of AlCl3, like any other reaction we have discussed till now, the RCl reacting with the Lewis acids AlCl3, we are getting R plus, okay, alkyl carbocation along with the AlCl4 minus. Okay. So, this R plus will be attacking on the benzene ring, we are getting the intermediate carbocation which is stabilized by the resonance, and in the second step which is fast, in the presence of base, the proton of the benzene ring will be abstracted out and we are getting the substituted product as a result. Now, some points must be taken care, or you should note that an alkyl substituted benzene is more reactive than the benzene. Okay. Why? Because alkyl group has plus I effect. It can donate the electrons towards the benzene. Okay. Because of that, the electron density on the benzene ring get increase. Okay. तो इंक्रीज तो हो जाएगी, रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शन भी बढ़ जाएगी, ठीक है कि नहीं, अल्काइल सब्स्टिट्यूटेड बेंजीन की बेंजीन से ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. बट होता क्या है, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मोर रिएक्टिविटी द जो अल्काइलेटेड प्रोडक्ट होता है बेंजीन का, दे आर गोइंग टू बी अल्काइलेटेड अगेन. ओके, बिकॉज दे आर मच एक्टिव देन द बेंजीन. सो once alkylation occur, that particular monosubstituted alkylated benzene ring again get alkylated in the presence of some alkylating agent. So, we have to prevent that. For the prevention of that further alkylation, a large excess of benzene is used in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Okay. Then the next point to be care of taken care of, that the carbocation which is formed as an intermediate will rearrange itself, as I said in the previous lecture also. Okay. It is a tendency of carbocation to rearrange itself to get the more stable reaction intermediate carbocation, to get the more stable product. Okay. So, the carbocation which is formed in between the reaction as an intermediate, it will always rearrange itself to get more stable reaction carbocation. Okay. So, when the carbocation can rearrange in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, the major product will be the product with the rearranged carbocation. Okay. So, हमें पता है ज़्यादा स्टेबल जो कार्बोकेटाइन होगा वही मेजर प्रोडक्ट देगा, जो कम स्टेबल कार्बोकेटाइन होगा वो माइनर प्रोडक्ट देगा. सो इफ देयर इज पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ टू products, the major product will be formed by the more stable carbocation intermediate. Okay. Okay. The next this is the example of rearrangement on the carbocations. Okay. So, in the reaction you can see that benzene is reacting with the 1-chlorobutane, which is a reagent for the alkylation. Okay. अल्काइल हैलाइड है वहाँ पर, है ना, 1-chlorobutane है. वी आर यूजिंग द AlCl3 लुईस कैटलिस्ट, लुईस एसिड कैटलिस्ट है. द रिएक्शन टेम्परेचर इज 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड एंड वी आर गेटिंग two product, or we can say mixture of product. One product is 1-phenylbutane and second product is 2-phenylbutane. Okay, 2-phenylbutane is major product. It was yielded in 65%, while 1-phenylbutane yield is 35% only. Why it is happening? So, as you can see that in the first step, okay, when this bond is broken, or you can see that in the first step this alkyl halide will reacting with the AlCl3, we are getting R plus. This R plus will attack on that benzene ring and we are getting this primary carbocation. But there are rearrangements occur. Rearrangement of carbocation may be occur by methyl shift, hydride shift or phenyl shift. 1 to hydride shift may be there, 1 to methyl shift is there, or 1 to phenyl shift is there. So, here you can see that 1 to hydride shift is occurring, means the hydrogen present on the second carbon will move towards the first carbon. As a result, we are getting secondary carbocation from the primary carbocation. So, because of the primary carbocation, this phenylbutane is possible, while which is from the secondary carbocation 2-phenylbutane is possible as a product, and we know that secondary carbocation is more stable than the primary carbocation. So, major product is the 1-phenylbutane. Okay. Here you can see that again when benzene is reacting with the 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl propane in the presence of Lewis catalyst, this is AlCl3, we are again getting there is a possibility you can say that mixture of two product will be formed. One is 2,2-dimethyl 1-phenyl propane, some minor products, or it is also possible that it will not be formed. Okay. Again the second is product which is possible is 2-dimethyl 2-phenylbutane. It is also possible that it is the only product which is formed after the reaction, or it will be major product along with the 2,2-dimethyl 1-phenyl propane. How it is happening? Okay. It is happening because of the rearrangement of the carbocation, as I told you earlier that when again in the presence of AlCl3, this particular group will acting as a electrophile and it will attack on the benzene ring. After attacking benzene ring, we are getting primary carbocation as a reaction intermediate. Okay. This primary carbocation has the tendency to rearrange itself to the more stable carbocation. So, there are 1-2 methyl shift means 1 पहले कार्बन पे और दूसरे कार्बन पे जो मिथाइल है वो शिफ्ट करता है. ठीक है, इस कार्बन से इस कार्बन पे आता है एंड वी आर गेटिंग tertiary carbocation from the primary carbocation, and this tertiary carbocation get this tertiary carbocation gives the major product or the only product which is 2-dimethyl 2-phenylbutane as a. Okay. So, again there are some points which have to be taken care that we have just seen that the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction rarely produces straight chain alkyl compounds, okay, on the aromatic ring because of the rearrangements. हमने देखा अभी टर्शरी ज़्यादा होता है स्टेबल, तो टर्शरी में ब्रांच आएगा. प्राइमरी कम स्टेबल होता है तो प्राइमरी में तो स्ट्रेट चेन हाइड्रोकार्बन पॉसिबल होते हैं, लेकिन प्राइमरी मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में सेकेंडरी या टर्शरी में चेंज हो जाता है. तो देयर इज रेयरली चांस दैट वी आर गेटिंग स्ट्रेट चेन अल्काइल फंक्शन ऑन द एरोमेटिक रिंग. ओके, टू अवॉइड दिस प्रॉब्लम, अगर हमें स्ट्रेट चेन में कुछ बनाना है तो देयर इज अ वे that we can use either of the Clemmensen reduction of acyl benzene to form the desired alkylated aromatic compounds. हम Clemmensen reduction का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ठीक है कि नहीं. इसके लिए Clemmensen reduction में जनरली 2 स्टेप होते हैं. पहली चीज़ों में हम करेंगे Friedel-Crafts acylation करेंगे, ठीक है कि नहीं, एंड द सेकेंड स्टेप इंक्लूड्स डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन ऑफ द रिजल्टिंग कीटोन. ठीक है, तो इफ़ वी वांट टू गेट स्ट्रेट चेन substitution on the benzene ring by Friedel-Crafts alkylation, then there is no other way, we have to follow the Clemmensen reduction of the acyl benzene, which can be acyl benzene can be formed by the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, and after that we are going for the Clemmensen reduction. Okay. तो Clemmensen reduction में हम उसको decarboxylate कर देंगे लास्ट में, and we will get the desired state chain substitution on the benzene ring. Okay. Like acylation reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, there is a limitation of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction also. It includes Friedel-Crafts alkylation works only with benzene and activated derivatives, no reaction when deactivation group are present on the benzene ring. Rearrangement of carbocation of carbocations like species is very common. Vinyl or aryl halides do not react like in the same as in the acylation reaction, okay, because their intermediates are unstable. The Lewis acid catalyst AlCl3 often complex into arylamines, making them very unreactive, same as in case of acylation reaction. Polyalkylation reaction is often the result, since the alkylation product is more reactive than the original compound, as we discussed in the previous slides. To for the prevention of the last polyalkylation reaction, we have to get benzene in the more quantity, okay, to nullify this polyalkylation reaction. Okay. So, before concluding our lecture, we just go one by one again, or you can say that. So, here we have seen that here we can we just summarize the overall lecture. So, we have discussed two reactions. First is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, and second is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So, for acylation reaction, we just we have used two reagents. One is acyl chloride and the acid anhydride, while in case of alkylation reaction we are using as alkyl chloride as a reagent, and both of the reagents in the presence of Lewis acid catalyst give the desired products. So, thank you so much for patience listening. Hope you will enjoy the lecture, and thank you so much. Thank you.